Well, Honolulu prosecuting attorney Steve Alm today outlining his department's positions on sentencing and paroling within the state court and justice system. And there are going to be some changes as far as the work of deputy prosecutors go. KITV4 Shanila Kabir explains.
Deputy prosecuting attorneys have been spending a lot of time presenting the department's position on inmates who are up for parole. And prosecutor Steve Alm believes their time can be better spent.
We have information regarding the inmate that we think we have, like we had a case where an inmate threatened somebody. We made sure to get that information to the paroling authority. But at the same time, we're not going to continue with this practice, essentially, that is sending letters or even appearing to argue for the underlying offense because it can't be considered.
Honolulu prosecutor Steve Alm says the goal of his office is community safety. Alm says his department is always fighting for inmates to serve at least the minimum sentencing and enforcing a parole plan that inmates must complete.
On there is their requested residence, their requested employment or verified employment, what programs they've completed, and that report also is any institutional misconducts because we take information from the facility.
The only exceptions to a lesser minimum are serious medical and mental health conditions.
We may ask for the maximum, and that's fine. We give the deputies the authority to go there and ask for what they think they should get, but we want them at all of the mandatory minimums. Now, years later at the parole completion ceremony, the focus and the criteria considered by the authority is totally different.
Before the pandemic, Alm says the prosecuting attorney had a guilty verdict success rate of 16% in domestic violence cases. That number in 2022 is as high as 33%. Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.